phone rang, caught me off guard. I know this feeling. No, I'm dreaming. Heads, tails, throw in another one. But I've known its meaning all along. This is that right place in that right time, standing on the front lines. This was our fire, still burning, every ember burning. Hide and seek, we've only just begun. Bells they're ringing, I know this feeling. A sea of change, I will admit, something I couldn't soon forget. But would it have it any other way? This is that right place in that right time, standing on the front lines. This is our fire, still burning, every ember burning. And it's only just begun, only just begun. Oh. Let it go. Everything you left unspoken. Let me know the secrets of our heart wide open.
Jonathan and Richie. Let us anticipate to the joy that is theirs today. Mary made with them all the days of their life. And recognize that they are their equal and the heirs of life. May John Paul and Jonathan put their trust on the right. May they always honor and love them. Let us help them to be faithful in marriage. May they have children, and may you help them to be good parents. May they live long years to see their children's children, and after a happy old age, may they have their fullness of life. Jonathan and Richie, now that you have gone up the matrimony, I admonish you to remain faithful to one another. Richie, love your husband and be a good housewife. Persevere in faith and love. John Paul, Jonathan, love, respect, and honor your wife. I hereby confirm the bond of your marriages which you have contracted. Will you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Dad.
Will you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes.
John Paul and Kay Andrea, Jonathan and Elizabeth. Are you both ready and good members of the children whom you will have?
Yes, Dad.
Jonathan and Ricky, since you wish to contract marriage, face each other, hold each other's hand. Jonathan, do you accept Richie here present for your lawful wife according to our laws?
Yes, Dad.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, Dad.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, Dad.
Natawa ka, di ka naniwala? Richie, do you accept Jonathan here present for your lawful husband according to our laws?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes po.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband
Yes po. May you
May
have
have
one
one
heart,
and one soul?
One soul.
From this day forward,
From this
From
day
this day
forward,
for better,
for better,
For better,
for worse,
or worse,
forward,
for richer,
for richer,
or poorer,
or
or
poorer,
poor,
in sickness
and sickness,
and in health,
and in health,
until death.
until they,
until I yes
A
po.
sign of my love
as a sign of my love
and loyalty,
and loyalty.
I, your name,
I'm Jonathan.
take you as my wife.
Please, my wife.
Yes.
I promise
I promise
to be true to you
to you
in good times
in good time
and in bad,
and in bad,
in sickness
and sickness
and in health.
and in health,
I will love you.
and will love you.
I will love you
I will love you
and honor you
and honor you
all the days
all
of
the
my
days
life.
of my life.
Your name.
I, Reggie,
Take you as my husband.
take you as my husband.
I promise
I promise
to be true to you
to be true to you
in good times
in good times
and in bad,
and in bad,
in sickness
and in
and in
sickness
health.
and in health.
I will love you
I will love you
and honor you
and honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
Dedication
As a pledge of my dedication
to your welfare
to your welfare
and the welfare of our children.
and the welfare of my children.
Amen.
Bigay mo na. Ano mo na pala.
Right. Thank
Patch
you,
ko. Thank you
and I accept it.
and accept it.
Baba na.
Richie, unang-una nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon. Ipinapangako ko sa iyo sa walang hanggang pagmamahal. Ikaw ang aking katuwang sa buhay, sa mga pagsubok at tagumpay. Sa bawat hakbang na tarahakin natin, hindi ko hihilingin pa ang higit sa pagkaroon ng isang kasama tulad mo. Nais ko lamang maging iyong sandigan, kaagapay at kasama sa bawat paglalakbay. Ipinangako ko na pagmamahal, maghihintay at magsusumikap para sa ating kinabukasan. Magsasama tayong haharapin ang lahat na darating sa hirap at ginhawa, sa sakit at kaligayahan. Mahal na mahal kita.
Jonathan, sa araw na ito at sa harap ng Diyos at ng ating pamilya, mga kaibigan, ipinapangako ko sa iyo ang aking tapat na pag-ibig malasakit, sa hirap at ginhawa, sa kalagyan at kalungkutan. Ikaw ang aking pipiliin araw-araw. Kasama natin harapin ang bawat hamon at pagtagumpayan ang bawat pagsubok. Pangako kong magiging katuwang kita sa lahat ng aspeto ng ating buhay at sa bawat hakbang na tatahakin natin. Mananatili akong iyong kasama, kaagapay at kasangga. Ipagpapasalamat ko ang bawat araw na magkasama tayo at ingatan ko ang ating pagmamahalan na magiging gabay at lakas sa lahat ng aspeto ng ating buhay. Mahal kita sa araw na ito at sa ipinagkaloob ko at ipinagkakaloob ko ang aking buhay bilang iyong asawa.
Congratulations and dedication. Ha? Sige na. Iyak mo ito.
Iya ba?
I will speak today on behalf of our parents. So, first our mother, who may be silent, but I know she is very happy that finally, after how many years? silent many years. She is so happy to watch Reggie to start her new journey with Jonathan, and we all wish that your marriage will be blessed with happiness. And I know our father is not here today, is happy in heaven, and also proud of Richie. Favorite ko siya ng aming tatay. So I know proud si Papa. And yung lesson niya I know bibigyan niya sa inyo ni Jonathan. And finally, our family, we are here to support you. On behalf of our family, we hope that your life together will be good, full of strength, and more babies, but no pressure. Maraming makakaaral. So, good luck, and again, welcome to our family, Jonathan. And my only advice for you is happy wife, happy life. Thank you.
Pamilya ni Christy. sa lahat na buwan. Tapos, mabay pa na kubayan sa kung siya. Ang asawa. Wala po.
Are you thinking about us? Do you remember how to try? Do you remember how it was? I was running, hiding, fighting, trying to find a place to go.
For information to everyone, ngayon ko lang nag-meet si Reggie. Siyempre maliim si Jonathan. Pero nagpapaalam sa akin na uwi. So, kinakawa ko na siya na tumal siya ng patawan. Kasi may ibang mga tao na patawan. Pero may kumakas. Pag siya, parang kasama ko siya sa tao na nagpapaalam. Kaya, wala kayo sa I give you blessings na your husband and wife. Sinabi ko rin kayo na dun sa house ni Josh na you lead your family, proving God about everything. So, mahalin mo, pagmahala kayo, mahalin kayo ng tunay, simula ngayong araw ko, wala lang ako. Lagi na kami. Wala lang ako. Lahat ng kendo, wala lang yung vision ako. Lagi kami. In behalf of the officers and men of BLP Force Philippine AJ 700, and then I believe it's the Philippine Navy. So, congratulations and Chief, best wishes. Magandang gabi sa akin.
Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Start ko yun sa Justice Zone. Kita, parang pinag-iari yung pasasabi mo, yung purple vision, si Lord lang talaga yun. Kasi yung mga Charles, ay kasama ko talaga yun. Yun lang. Thank you sa pagkwesa nila. Pangalawang magulang. Hindi ko yung na-expect ko. Gano'n ko si Baby Labs namin. Kasi pag pinayak niya, tuktukan pa wala kami.
Hello, good evening. Yeah, first of all, syempre, we would like to give the honor to God for this opportunity na ma-celebrate namin yung aming love sa isa't isa. So this is just a celebration ng ilang years na. Mag-train na, no? Ayan. So, thank you everyone sa family ko sa love and support na talagang, na full support nandito silang lahat. And sa aking church family, CCF family sila, Mami. So, talagang salamat din sa love. And friends from PPC, may college friends kayo dalawa, solid. Mga college friends ko. And of course, sila Tioy, salamat po sa pagdalo din po para kay Jonathan. Dahil madalaga rin po kasi hirap na sa biyahe. Yung parents niya po ba? So hindi na po sila nakadalo. So bawi na lang po kami pag nakabakasyon. So plan namin this December. Kung may at ayun. So kung God willing, makapagbakasyon at makapag-celebrate din kami sa kanilang side. So medyo mahirap. Nasya kasi in 2 weeks lang po yung preparation. Pero yun nga, God provides. Tapos sa tulong na rin ng family, yung mga kapatid ko. So nailaos po. And of course yung ating mga sirs from AGS 700 ba? AGS 700. So salamat po sa love and support mo kay Jonathan. Mabait po ba siya? Kayo po yung alamin ko kung mabait siya. So, alam ko, yun nga, so nakasama niya siya ng matagal. So, maraming salamat po mga sir sa time, sa support niya sa kanya. So, ano pa ba? Sir Gabe, salamat sa team niyo po, sa Kali's Kitchenette, salamat po. Miss Rev, medyo short lang pero thank you po. Recommendation po kayo from Ate Len, yung friend ko po. So, maraming salamat po for celebrating this precious moment sa amin ni Jonathan. So, I know, ano ba, God has a plan, may restore siya para sa amin. And, ang prayer ko lang is, ang ano yung pagsubok talagang mahal. Anong challenges ay makakakayanin with God's help, syempre. So, sanay naman din ako for alam ko naman din yung way of niya rin sa trabaho. So, okay lang din naman, naiintindihan ko yun. So, no worries for that. Tapos, ano pa ba? So, yun po, thank you. Salamat talaga sa time. So, good evening sa atin.